Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
In 2017, Zontes launched a 150 cubic centimeters runabout bike in China with a Euro 3 sturdy, in-house designed engine, had a drum rear brake, and sold tons of them on the home market. Now let's roll on to 2024 for the latest specifications. The MANTIS 125 has been a popular model in the Zontes range for several years now, and this is the latest version compliant with Euro 5 regulations. To sum up the MANTIS, you would have to say it is a classic-styled motorcycle designed for everyday use. Fitted with bright LED lighting and wide-profile mirrors, you are sure to be seen by other road users. A rev counter and digital gear indicator assist the rider in having better control of the bike, at all times ensuring a more enjoyable and safer journey. Fitted with a large 15-litre fuel tank and coupled to a frugal Delphi EFI system, the MANTIS delivers both great range and economy, making the perfect L-plate legal bike for everyday commuters and cost-conscious riders. Available in the UK new for around £2,000, they are a frugal and easy-to-look-after commuter bike. Take a test ride from your local Zontes dealer and judge for yourself. Regards, Mad Mick.